We could try an entirely different approach, and rather than matching marbles on our fingers or making up words to describe our marbles, maybe we could organize them into patterns that would be recognizable patterns so that we could know if anything was missing. Say that I had this many marbles to start off with. It's a small collection of marbles. We'll try and make it easier on ourselves. To start off with, we could line those marbles up like this, and then I could realize, oh, I've got a line of marbles here, another line here, and they kind of have this nice pattern to them, and I'll remember what this pattern looks like. And if sometime I'm lining up my marbles and I'm going through lining them up and I realize, oh, this is all I've got, hey, there's missing spot here, oh, there, I need to find my other marble, then I'll know to recognize this pattern. Say that I had this many, even nicer, this many marbles lines up nicely into a square. There I'll definitely know, hey, if something's missing here, whoa, this isn't right. My marble pattern is supposed to be a square. Even if say I accidentally gained some marbles, I'd say, oh, that's not right either. Let's see, even if I go here, no, this just isn't looking right, because I remember my marble pattern looked like this, and I must have some extras here, and I got to put them back where I found them. We could apply this kind of technique. Say that we start off with this many marbles and line them up in this nice pattern here, and maybe somehow I can get accustomed to recognizing this pattern of marbles, and when I try again the next day, I've got this many, and when I line them up, I realize, whoa, this isn't quite the same. This looks like the pattern I'm familiar with, but there's a straggler out here. I must have found an extra one. Or if I have this many marbles and I line them up and it looks like this, I realize, oh, I'm missing one. Maybe this guy, was supposed to come over here, and I need to move a marble from that side over to there. Oh, that's more nicely evened out. Of course, it doesn't have to be nice, even lines. There's other ways that we could organize our marbles into recognizable patterns. I could take this collection of marbles and I can order them into these nice circles. And so I've got, these are kind of blown up, more life-size marbles here. I start with one in the middle, and then I encircle it, tightly pack as many marbles as I can around that, and then I pack some more around that, and I've got this pattern that I can recognize. I may not know what to call this many marbles, how many it is in terms of a number, but it certainly makes a nice pattern that I can recognize. And so I'll definitely know next time when I'm working with my marbles, if I've lost one, my pattern just won't work out quite right, and I'll say, definitely something wrong with the pattern, must be missing a marble. What other ideas can you think of as far as this idea of how might we use patterns to recognize whether we've got all our marbles or not?